Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Today I'm bringing to life some forgotten items, and I will also show you how I decorated my dining room table along with my Christmas tree. Over the summer I purchased two of these mirrors. I've had them in my stash for a while. I'm gonna go ahead, take them apart, and with black chalk paint I'm gonna give it one coat, and I'm gonna do that to both of the frames. Once they are done, I'm gonna put them to the side. I also have these ornaments from Dollar General. I pay $1. I'm also gonna be giving both of them two coats of the same black chalk paint. Once I finished with the deers, then I came back with these frames. I put them back together. I took both of the deer and I placed with hot glue, one on each frame. And this is how they look. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. I've had these candle holders in the bottom of my stash for a very long time. I'm gonna go ahead and do a makeover using this metallic paint, and I purchased that metallic paint at Walmart. Now I started out with the brush, but then I noticed that it was not gonna work out. So later on I learned very fast that it would be better if I take a sponge dabbing brush. And of course the texture is a lot better. I like that texture, and it doesn't leave the lines just like the brush, like you can see right here. And as you know, I have two of the candle holders, so I'm going to be doing the same thing to both of them. And this came out so absolutely gorgeous. It has an aged look, as you can see. Look at how gorgeous. I really like this texture. Once I'm done with both of these, I'm going to go ahead and put them to the side. And over the summer, I purchased 3 of these candle holders. They are made out of brass. They're very, very strong and sturdy. And I'll be using the same metallic paint, using the same method. And look how gorgeous they are turning out. I am absolutely in love with these. I have 5 different candles, and I'm using this glittery ribbon. Look at how gorgeous. And I also have a thinner glittery red ribbon that I'm also going to be placing right on top, right in the middle of it. And I'm going to do the same thing to all 5 candles. I am totally in love with this. And just remember that this is customizable. If you don't like glitter, you can always use whatever fits your decor. Now I kept this nice and simple, and this is how they turned out. I hope you enjoy it. I purchased 4 of these deer from Dollar Tree. I believe they were $3 each. When I purchased them, I could be 5. But anyway, I took them and I painted them, all of them in white. I'm adding a glittery ribbon to all 4 of them. Also, I have some bells because what's Christmas without bells? And I'm going to be placing one on each of their necks. And this video is also part of an open collaboration called Craft Our Way to Christmas. And the host of this playlist is Clari from Clari's Creations Part 2, and this is Series 10. I'm gonna leave the playlist down below so you could go ahead and check out all these talented creators for more inspiration. Let them know that I sent you, and if you are coming from one of their platforms, welcome to my channel. And my dear friend, look at how they turned out. My dear friends, I'm gonna go ahead and decorate my table. I'm not going to explain anything because it's self-explanatory, but go ahead and enjoy the music.
Snow is falling soft tonight, lanterns glowing warm and bright, little deer are standing near, bringing us that Christmas cheer. Floral blooms of red and white fill the room with holiday light. Every piece I make with love feels like magic from above. So if you like what you see. Come create along with me. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. It's free and helps this family. Lantern lights and floral shine, dear, that make the scene divine. Craft and joy this Christmas time. Together we make.
And here it is, my dear friends. This was a simple setting. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, don't forget that big thumbs up. It will help my channel.
Stay with me throughout the year. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. It's free. Your support shines bright.
Well, my dear friends, I'm going to show you how I decorated one of my small trees. I hope you have enjoyed this short video. If you did, don't forget that big thumbs up, and also don't forget that playlist. And here I found this at a garage sale for $2, and I could not let this pass by. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to be placing this in the bottom of my tree. I'm keeping it nice and simple. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope you and your family a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thanks for stopping by and watching till the end. Hope you had fun. Come back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's free. DIY with Aurea creativity.